In the name of Allah, who is most kind and merciful. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine and healthy. In this course, we talk about Java methods. In the last class, we talk about the two-dimensional array or 2D arrays. Now we talk about the Java methods. In simply and shorter definition, a method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. That is the shorter definition of method. But what is the method completely? A method is a block of statement that has a name and can be executed by calling. When we called method, we also called invoking. When we called a method, that's like invoked a method. It from some other place in your programs along with fields, methods, or one of the two elements that are considered members of a class. A method is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation. When you call the system.out.println method, for example, the system actually executes several statements in order to display a message on the screen or the console. Also, a method is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task. You can pass data to the method, nouns as a parameter. Methods are used to perform certain action and they are also known as a function. In this example, that is our class and that is our method. Static void my method. In the method third block we have this line. Why we use methods? What is the benefits of methods? Methods allows us to reuse the code without retyping the code. In Java, every method must be part of some class which is different from language like C, C++, and Python. Methods are time server and help us to reuse the code without repeating the code. That is the benefits of the method. To reuse the code, define the code once and use it many times. That is the benefits of the method. When we use a method to reuse the code, we write the code once and use it many times in the program. Parameters and arguments. What is parameters and arguments? Information can be passed to the method as parameter. When we pass the information to a method, that is called parameters and arguments. Parameter acts as a variables inside the methods. Parameters are specified after the method name inside the parentheses. You can add as many parameters as you want. Just separate them with a comma. In this picture we see this is our method and string name app name is our parameters that we pass to this method. First call we pass this name, the second calling we pass this name, and the third calling invoking this method we pass the other name. When a parameter is passed to the method, it is called in arguments. Work practically on methods. This is our Java apps. We have four types of methods. Method with no return type and with no passing in arguments. That is the first method type. What type of method? We declare the method outside of main method. That is main method. We declare outside of method and inside the class. I declare that is a simple main we declare and initialize. The first method with no return types and with no passing in arguments. This method doesn't have return statement and we don't pass any arguments to this method. Print a statement. When we want to call this method and invoke this method, we use the method names. But that have an error. How to correct this error? When we want to call to the method, we create the object of class. What is our class? Our class is up. We create the object of this class, class object. After that, we use the dot notation, obj dot notation. This is the void methods of dot my message. This is the method names. Now I run this program. One error, we don't use the semicolon. One semicolon left here. Now I run this program again. The program is successfully run. I am a Java method. That is the method without return statement and without passing an argument. Now we talk about the other type of method with no return types but with a passing in arguments. I duplicate this method. Now I want to pass this method in arguments but not we pass int. Now I want to print the value of a is. That has an error because the method wants in arguments. When I call this again of dot message, now we look at the message and a. This method have an arguments. I pass in arguments 50. When I recommend this method's message, just change the name. When I call the above method object, we have two methods in this object. The first one, my message, have an arguments integer a, and the second one without an arguments. When I run this program again, the first method is invoked in I am a Java method, this method without passing an argument and return type, and the second method is passing an argument but no return type in this method. This is the output. The value of a is 50 because we pass the 50 here. That is the Java method. In the next class we talk about these two types of method. Method with a return type but with no passing in arguments. The fourth one is method with a return type and a passing in arguments also.